It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? We'll say the name of it. I heard some of you say it. We are in September. And what number comes after 22? Well, think when you're counting 22, 20. Three. I heard some of you say it. Let's look at the hundreds chart as a resource. We can start on the number 22, and the number after is 23. Let's get that number to add to the calendar. We are on September 23rd, 2022. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? It's the end of the school week. I know it starts with F fun. Do you remember? Let's look at our days of the week resource and find the day of the week that starts with an F. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you find the one that starts with F fun? Look at the first letter in the day of the week. Here it is, Friday. Friday. Did you know that today's Friday? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain, kiss your hand, stick it on your head. Let's get that word. Today is Friday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, if today is Friday, the day before Friday is Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, what day comes after Friday? Think about it, class family. Here's Friday. The day after is Saturday. Saturday. Did you remember that? Go ahead and pat yourself on the back if you did, and we'll get that word. Tomorrow will be Saturday. And we are in what season? Do you remember? Oh, I know we switched yesterday from fall equinox. So what season are we in? Okay, here's September. Look at our seasons and months resource. The season can be called autumn. Look at the picture and words. Do you see? What's another name for autumn? Do you remember? I heard somebody say it, fall, like the falling leaves. Let's get that word to add to our calendar. We are in the season called fall. And let's go ahead and describe today's weather in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? Oh, it's definitely sunny. High 67 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe low 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's getting much colder than before. Let's go ahead and get sunny to add to the calendar for today's weather. And let's figure out now how many days we've been in school. Oh, and let me correct myself on the weather. It's high 67 degrees Fahrenheit, low 46 degrees Fahrenheit. So not 40, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Still much colder than before as we're switching seasons from summer to fall. Okay, class family, yesterday we were on 22. We already figured this out on the calendar. What number comes after 22? Do you know? 22, 20. Three. I heard some of you say it. Here's the 22. The number after is 23. Remember, we always check our resource too. Here's the 22, and the number after is indeed 23. If you remembered that, great job. Let's make the number and go ahead and say it. 23. We have 2 10s, 3 1s. Let's get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket and then start with our 2 10s. How many 10s, everybody? 2 10s. How many? 2 10s. I heard everyone say it. Did you say it? Let's skip count by 10s 2 times. You ready? 10, 20. Do it again. 10, 20. Great job. Let's put the 2 10s back in the 10s pocket. and get the 3 ones to put with the 2 10s. So did you keep the 20 in your brain? Okay, keep that in your brain, and we're going to put the 3 ones with it. Got the 20 in your brain? 21, 22, 23. All right, let's put the 3 ones back in the ones pocket and get ready for our tally mark. Remember, when we do a tally mark, we're going to pull straight down, unless we're crossing a group of 5s. Are you ready? Do it with me. How many days have we been in school? Let's skip count by 5s 4 times and put the 3 ones with it. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's go ahead at this time and write today's date. You need something to write on and something to write with. If you're using a dry erase board and marker, make sure that your cap is on the bottom of your marker so you don't lose it. We're going to start with September, an uppercase letter S. Let's write the abbreviation for September. That's the shortened way to write the month. Let's go ahead and write it. We're going to write S-E-P-T period. Ready? Let's do it. S-E-P-T period. Finger space afterwards. And then you're going to go ahead and write the number 23 with a 2 and a 3 comma, finger space 2022. Mathematicians, write that down and then practice reading it. September 23rd, 2022.